So obviously we're in a period of rapid change in the industry, and there's technologies that are available now that just weren't available 5 or 10 years ago. And those technologies allow us to make better decisions, and whether that's better decisions as to how we manage energy, better decisions as to how we manage projects, better decisions as to how to configure projects in the first place. There's greater choice that's available to us. Now, crystal balling out into the future, what are the technologies that are going to drive growth? I think, irrespective of who wins the next election and which way energy policy goes, what we're not going to see is a slowdown in enthusiasm for people to generate and control their own energy sources. So whether that's with behind the meter solar and batteries, whether it's in front of the meters, solar, wind, batteries, or whatever, I can't see that trend slowing down in the foreseeable future. So the technologies that are going to allow people to manage, control, and generate their own electricity, and whether you're a big Taylor or just an individual managing your own household energy, I think those technologies are going to drive forward in the future. Moving back, I think, to energy projects specifically, technology helps us make better decisions. So I guess the tools that we've got available help us acquire, synthesize, and present data in a digestible form. So things like advanced GIS tools like Arco Summit GIS help us locate the right location for projects, help us configure those projects in a way that is right for the market, right for the network, and right for the receiving community/environment that's going to host those projects. Rapid optimization tools such as Best Auto help us compare multiple options quickly and configure projects in a way that is more optimal, more efficient, and allow us to do that kind of rapid optimization more quickly and more effectively. Digital twins help us optimize processes and simulate process upset conditions, and they're very helpful in both design, quantifying inputs and outputs to projects. Also helps us in more advanced safety and design processes such as HAZOPs to allow us to simulate upset conditions, etc. And also helpful in operator training to understand how the plant's going to act before it's even built. During construction, we now have AI-based optimization plugins to P6 and Microsoft Project to help optimize resource leveling. That obviously improves the productivity of projects. And then advanced GIS tools such as Summit can then be used during the operations phase as part of your asset management, where you go to a piece of plant out in the field, click on the GIS, and it brings up that particular piece of plant's entire maintenance history. So